there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I am using the September 2019 Good Life collection, which is available at Pixel Scrapper. Before the video started, I already taped down these two background papers that you see here. The one on the left is from the Journal Me kit, which includes pages that are just ready to be printed out and stuck in your notebook without a lot of effort. Actually, I think the page on the right is actually also from that kit as well, all that fun paint splatter. I am usually a little too lazy to get out actual paint to do mixed media in my notebook, so I always like to include one painted kind of page in the Journal Me kit so that I can have that look without any effort. So I'm just layering some vellum pieces here behind my photo, and then I'll just work on adding in some more layers here. And then I will finish off with some of the elements that you see up there in the corner that are also from the kit that I had printed and cut out before the video started. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.